Hi, I am Jimmy, founder and national trainer of KH World. Today's discussion topic, the role of parents in the digital age. We all know parents play a crucial role in guiding the children's use of technology. Firstly, they must ensure safe and responsible online behavior. Moreover, we can say that by setting clear rules and leading by example, parents help the children balance screen time with real life activities. At the same time, open communication allows the parents to understand their children's online activities and their challenges. Therefore, when parents stay informed and involved, they not only protect their children, but also empower them to use technology wisely and positively. Thank you.